All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 174. The first one says list the factor pairs of 150. So all you're trying to do is you're trying to think, okay, what two numbers can I multiply together to get 150? So you always start with 1. So 1 times 150, 2 times 75, 3 times 50. There is nothing times 4, but you can do 5 times 30, 6 times 25, and you can do 10 times 15. So all of those numbers, all of those pairs multiplied together give you 150. For number 2, it says divide 7,807 by 8. Okay? So if you do 8 times 9, with the 78 right here, 8 times 9 would give you 72. Subtract 8 minus 2 would give you 6. Bring down your 0. 8 will go into 60. You could do 7 times because 8 times 7, 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract 60 minus 56 would give you 4. Bring down your last number on the end, that's your 7. So 8 times 5 would give you 40. 47 minus 40 would give you 7, so your remainder is 7. If you want to check it, if you multiply 8 times 975 and then add your remainder, that will give you 7,807. For number 3, which fraction here is largest? Okay, we have 7 tenths, 59 hundredths, 75 hundredths. Okay, so what you need to think about is if you want to make them all the same. Okay, so if you added 2 zeros to make it 1,000, you'd have to add 2 zeros here. That's 700 over 1,000. So if you want to get this to 1,000, you'd add 1, so that'd be 590. So the largest one is 700 over 1,000. Oh goodness, protractor. All right, guys, I do not have a protractor, so we're just going to have to do our best to guess. But I do have a ruler. And so it says use a protractor to draw a 95-degree angle. So we know that a right angle is right at 90 degrees. So here is my point. So a right angle would go straight up, up and down vertically. So I'm just going to turn it just a little bit, and we're going to estimate that, that 90 would be about right there, because that would be the next 5 tick marks over. Okay, so that angle is about 95 degrees. And then for this last question for today, it says, is this dotted line a line of symmetry? And the answer is yes, because if you fold it over on itself, yes, it is equal on both sides. All right, guys, check yours.